Let me ask you something honestly. What if I told you that your anxiety and overthinking are not your life sentence? And that in the next 90 days, you could naturally bring your anxiety level back to normal without therapy, without giving up your ambition, and without depending on lifelong meditation. Sounds too good to be true, right? Or maybe a small part of you is still wondering, what if this actually is possible for me? Because right now you may be feeling confused, overwhelmed, or maybe even little scared about where this is heading. And I completely understand that because most people only realize the seriousness when it is already too late. But here is the truth: anxiety response can be retrained, and the earlier you act, the easier it is. So, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a completely different way to retrain anxiety through neuroscience, and that works with your body, not against it. Now, before we go ahead, you might be thinking, why should you listen to me? Fair question. Hi, I'm Manisha Rajput. I have helped founder, business owner, and CEOs to retrain their anxiety and overthinking and regain control of their health without any therapy or complicated routines. And this is not a theory. This is something which I have implemented with real people. Like Arjun, a 39-year-old business owner. When he came to me, his chest would tighten up before every important call, and he would delay decision for days. Business pressure followed him into the bed every single night. And within 90 days, he was able to handle the conversation without panic, making decision faster and sleeping with much calmer mind. Or take Meera, a founder managing a growing team. She believed checking everything herself was the only way to stay in control. She was exhausted, snapping at her team, and still felt that nothing could move without her. But with simple structured process, she began to delegate without fear, stopped overthinking every small decision, and started leading with calm authority. And most importantly, she took control of her health. Now, if you're watching this, chances are there you are facing at least one of these problems. Problem number one: confusion. Everyone is telling you something different. Just meditate, go for therapy, take break, think positive, and you are stuck. You're stuck thinking, yeah, what actually works? Problem number two: nothing lasts. You start meditation, journaling, breathing exercise, or a new routine. For few days, you will feel better. But when business pressure increases, a difficult call comes in, a decision has to be made, and slowly you are back in the same old pattern: chest tightening, racing thoughts, and sleepless nights. Problem number three: silent fear. You may not be saying this loud, but somewhere inside you, you are thinking, what if this anxiety never goes away? What if something is wrong with my heart? Will I have to take medicine forever? So let me tell you something clearly. You are not weak, and you are not alone feeling like this way. In fact, most of my clients come to me with exactly same thought. But the problem is not you. The problem is you have been trying to change the symptom. Now let's talk about what most people are doing right now. First, force positive thinking. Just stay positive. Stop thinking so much. Everything will be fine. And sometimes it helps. But then, one difficult call, one business problem, and the same anxiety comes back. Second, random exercise. Meditation sometime, breathing exercise sometime, journaling when things become too much. No structure, no deep work. So the relief does not last. Third, meditation first approach. Now, I'm not against meditation, but depending only on meditation without changing the pattern, it is like switching off alarm without finding out why it keeps ringing. You are managing symptoms, not solving the root cause. And this creates a belief. Maybe anxiety cannot be retrained. But that's not simply true because when you understand anxiety pattern works, everything changes. So here is the different approach, and I call this scale without anxiety system. It is simple, practical, and designed for real business pressure. Step number one: decode the fear loop. We first understand what is really triggering your anxiety. No general advice, your personal pattern. Because what triggers anxiety in one founder may not trigger in the another founder. Second, reset the body alarm. Next, using the guided neurocoaching, NLP, and hypnosis, we help you interrupt the automatic alarm response. So when pressure comes, Your body does not immediately go into panic, and your mind has a space to think clearly. Think of it like training an oversensitive alarm to respond differently. Step number three, install a new identity. Then we work on the deeper beliefs deriving the pattern. Beliefs like you must control everything, you can't make mistake, you need to be completely sure before act. We help your mind build a calmer way of seeing leadership, decision, delegation, and uncertainty. Step number four, activate calm execution. Finally, we take this change into your real business situation like calls, decisions, sales, delegation, team issue. Using neuro coaching, subconscious rehearsal, and guided repetition, we help your brain to build a new response. In fact, one of my client Rohan, he tried meditation, journaling, productivity tools, but nothing worked for long. Once we worked on subconscious pattern behind his anxiety, he started handling pressure more calmly, making decision faster and sleeping with calmer mind. And I remember he told me something very powerful. For the first time, I don't feel like I'm fighting with my own mind. Now just imagine this for a moment. You wake up in the morning, no heaviness in the chest, no racing thought in your mind. A difficult message comes, but this time you don't panic. You stay calm, look at the situation clearly, and take the decision. You finish your work without bringing every business problem home. At night, your mind finally switches off. You sleep peacefully and wake up feeling lighter. You are not constantly fighting your thoughts. You are in control. That calm, that clarity, and that's what we are really creating here. So, if this feels relatable to you, the next step is simple. Click on the button below and book a discovery call. On this call, we will understand what is triggering your anxiety and overthinking, identify the pattern keeping you stuck, and map out clear next step for you. Now, here's what happens after you click. First, you will choose a convenient time. Second, fill a short form so that I understand your situation better. Third, join the call with me. And I promise this is not a sales call, it is a clarity call. And by the end of it, you will understand what is really happening and what you need to do next. And honestly, just by watching till here, you have already taken an important first step because awareness is where change begins. But awareness without action keeps you stuck in the old same pattern. So don't wait for anxiety to get worse, or for that matter, overthinking to affect another decision. Take the next step now. Click on the button and book your call. And let's have a real conversation about your anxiety, your business pressure, and what needs to change. I'm genuinely looking forward to speaking with you, understanding your situation, and helping you respond to pressure in a calmer way. So, see you on the call.